Hey guys, figured we'd try something a little different today. I know we primarily just show videos of us out having fun with either the Wild Child or one of our side-by-sides. Figure we'll change gears a little bit, getting that time of the year where it's getting a little colder, start doing some stuff, maintenance and work and stuff on some of the, especially the boat. So it's definitely not boat riding season. I know we didn't get to show many boat videos this year. Had intentions of it, just didn't get to have it. There's a good reason for that. Last time I was out in preparation to go to Lake Anna with the Wild Child, I had upped the boost on it a little bit to get a little faster. Well, I was succeeded in getting a little faster, but unfortunately, as we can see here, the motor did not like it. Done quite a bit of damage to the motor. Broke a rod in it. Tore it up pretty bad. Still haven't 100% decided as to what direction I'm gonna go with that and do what repairs. I got an ideal, just don't know if it's a lot of stuff got to work out first before I go that way. But today's video, we're gonna do a little something different. I'm gonna put a some enclosure on Walter White over here, our 24 model Polaris RZR XP1000. We have a 2019 Commander. It already has an enclosure and a heater on it, and it is very nice to ride in the winter time. So definitely we want to try to get the enclosure on this one so we can enjoy it this winter and not freeze our ass off. Bought the kit from Super ATV. I've got it done packed here. Looks pretty simple. Pretty well Velcro. They sent a big thing of Velcro, some snaps, some pulls for the zippers. Got a set of instructions. Look pretty in detail. The windows themselves will be fairly simple, I think, to put on here. It kind of just, you put some Velcro up around here and then down around the doors, which the snaps, you can also attach it with snaps. I haven't fully decided if I'm going to do the snaps or just all the Velcro. So, but hang in there, we'll get it done. right, guys, we've got it finished up here. Install went pretty good. Probably took maybe 2.5, 3 hours at the most, which I didn't really get no hurry. Fits great around the windshield and the roof. Kind of tucks up and under the roof there real good, so it makes a great seal. I did go ahead and put the snaps in as well as the Velcro just to help hold it real good. Does a great job as far as fit wise. Kind of glad it fits good like that. You know, you don't know sometimes when you buy some certain things, but great fit overall. The pulls work great on the door. Got big pulls, so got a little extra thing on, unzips real smooth. The door will open up real good so we can get in. No real big gaps, seals up pretty much all areas. Fit is real good. Got a few wrinkles here and there overall, but once we get it out in the sun, I'm sure those will come out. But good addition to Walter White here. I think once first chance I get, I'll be making a heater. The Commander we have, I did make one for it. That'll be the next project. As you can hear, it's been raining here off and on all day, so good rainy day project. An overall good fit, good product from Super ATV.